the ShiatsuShaman. Today I'd like to talk about baking soda. I often tell my patients to take baking soda after their treatments to help their bodies purify and become more alkaline. Baking soda is a wonderful ingredient that you can find in every household that you can use to better your health. So, how much exactly do I want you to take? Well, I'll show you. A nice heaping teaspoon like that. And a full glass of water. That out of the way for you. So this is how much daily you should take of baking soda to your health.